Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. This is part 1 video where we are going to understand the concepts of hardware, software and types of software. I am using hands-on book of DAV publication. After the completion of this video, you will be able to understand the concept of hardware and software and you understand the types of software. Before starting the video, the first question that comes in mind is that what is a computer? My dear student, as you have studied in your previous class, a computer is an electronic device that takes input, processes it and gives an output. It means, as you have studied earlier, computer works on the IPO cycle. Input devices helps to give input to the processing device, that is CPU, and after the data is being processed, it is given as output by the output devices. It means the computer follows IPO cycle. I means input, P means processing and O means output. Input is given by input devices, processing is done by processing devices and output is given by output devices. Here we have components of computer system. Computer system is generally classified into two, that is hardware and software. Hardware, the physical component of computer system which we can touch, feel, are called hardware. हार्डवेयर वो कंपोनेंट्स हैं कंप्यूटर सिस्टम के जिनको हम देख सकते हैं, टच कर सकते हैं, फील कर सकते हैं, जैसे मॉनिटर, कीबोर्ड, माउस. दीज ऑल आर द फिजिकल कंपोनेंट्स दैट कैन बी टच, कैन बी फील, so they are hardware. Next, software. Software is a set of programs which governs the smooth operation of the computer system. Software is the group of instructions that tell hardware how to perform a task. Hardware on other hand side cannot be touched, cannot be feel, cannot be seen. Software कुछ सेट्स ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस होते हैं, प्रोग्राम होते हैं जो हार्डवेयर को बताते हैं कि किस तरीके से काम करना है, पर इनको हम देख नहीं सकते, टच नहीं कर सकते जैसे हम हार्डवेयर को करते हैं. हार्डवेयर आर द फिजिकल कंपोनेंट्स बट दे आर द प्रोग्राम that are designed by software engineers. For example, if you have a laptop, then laptop monitor, laptop mousepad are the physical components that we can touch, but all the application running on your laptop are software. Hardware and software are essential part of computer system. हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर दोनों ही एसेंशियल पार्ट्स हैं, नेसेसरी पार्ट हैं कंप्यूटर सिस्टम की. इन एब्सेंस ऑफ हार्डवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर इज़ अनयूजेबल. अगर हमारे पास हार्डवेयर नहीं है तो सॉफ्टवेयर का भी कोई यूज़ नहीं होगा और ना ही हम उसको यूज़ कर पाएंगे. इट विल बी अनयूजेबल. विदाउट द सॉफ्टवेयर हार्डवेयर इज़ अनयूजेबल. इट मीन्स बोथ हार्डवेयर and software together form a usable computing system. दोनों मिलेंगे हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर तभी एक यूजेबल कंप्यूटर सिस्टम बन पाएगा, अदरवाइज दे विल बी अनयूजेबल. नेक्स्ट वी हैव टाइप्स ऑफ हार्डवेयर. As I have discussed, as I have told you earlier, hardware are the components that we can touch, we can see, we can feel. Here computer hardware is broadly classified into following types. Number 1, input device, processing device, storage device, output devices. As you have studied in your earlier classes, your previous class, that input devices are the devices that are used to give input to the computer, like mouse, keyboard, light pen, touch screen. Processing devices are the devices that are used to process data, and the main processing device is CPU. Storage device are the devices that are used to store information, that are used to store data into it. These like pen drive, CD, DVD. If we talk about primary storage, internal storage, then we have RAM. Okay, then we have hard disk. These are the storage devices that we can touch, and hence they are hardware, and thus they are classified as hardware. Output devices we have monitor, printer, speaker, because they give output from the computer and they can be touched, they can be seen, they can be feel, hence they are called output devices and classified as hardware. Next we have type of software. We generally have two types of software. This is system software and application software. As the name suggests, system software, it means this software is for the system use only. It is used by the system only. And application softwares are the software which is used by the users. Again, system software is classified into operating system and utility system. Application softwares are the softwares that we use, that a user use, like MS Office softwares which contain MS PowerPoint, MS Word. Games are also application software, and MS PowerPoint, MS Paint. These all are application software which is used by the user. And system software is a software which is not used by the user, which is only used by the system. Here system means computer. System softwares are the software which is only used by the computer. Type of system software. Types of system software. System software control and manages all the hardware of the machine. System software का काम बस इतना ही है कि ये मैनेज करेगा, कंट्रोल करेगा सारे हार्डवेयर को, मशीन को ही ये कंट्रोल करेगा. सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर इज यूज्ड बाय द मशीन ओनली एंड इट इज नॉट यूज्ड बाय द यूजर्स. It is a type of computer program that is designed to run computer hardware. Again students, this is more clear now. It is designed to run computer hardware. Computer hardware को run करने के लिए ये सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया गया है, और ये सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ होता है बस कंप्यूटर सिस्टम के थ्रू. यूज़र्स इस पे कोई अपना काम नहीं कर सकते. इट इज़ डिज़ाइन टू रन कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर एंड एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्राम्स. वी नीड अ प्लेटफॉर्म. हमें एक प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए जहाँ पे हम अपना पावर पॉइंट बना सकें, जहाँ पे हम अपना वर्ड का डॉक्यूमेंट कर सकें, और वो प्लेटफॉर्म हमें मिलता है सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर से. द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम is the best known example of system software. The operating system manages all the other programs in a computer. System software classified into two: operating system and utility programs. This is all for today's video. In our next class, we will be discussing operating system and utility software in brief. This is only the key points that I have discussed today. But in our next video, we are going to understand what is operating system, what are its function, and what do we mean by utility softwares. Your computer teacher Sonia Sharma signing off. Thanks for watching.